We are going to look at some high yield savings accounts that I found online, all of which are offering over 4% APY, with one on this list offering 4.8%. Be sure to do your own research before moving your money around, as all of these rates are subject to change without notice, and each bank may have its own set of nuances. And remember that this is not financial advice. This first savings account is currently by invitation only, but I still think that this information is beneficial. Vanguard sent me a personal invitation to open up a Cash Plus savings account with them, and the website literally states that this is a pilot. And I'm not sure what changes may come, but Vanguard stated that the Cash Plus account is here to stay, so I encourage you to do your own research. Vanguard is an investment advisor based in Pennsylvania, founded in 1975, and has about $8.1 trillion in global assets under management. And this data is as of 2022. With this pilot, Vanguard is offering an account with no monthly fees. However, do note that Vanguard has a $20 annual account service fee that can be waived with electing electronic delivery of documents. Unfortunately, I'm uncertain whether or not there is a minimum opening deposit because I couldn't find the information, but there is no minimum monthly balance. Up to $250,000 is FDIC insured. The APY on this account is currently at 4.25% as of March of 2023, and there are unlimited transfers. Some drawbacks are there is no ATM card access and no opening bonus at this time. Also remember that only those with an invitation can open up a Vanguard Cash Plus savings account right now. Having an online savings account can be a little bit inconvenient, but with Vanguard, online transactions are made easy because they'll provide you with routing and account numbers so that you can pay bills, set up direct deposit with your employer, and use payment apps like PayPal and Venmo. I had no idea that LendingClub offered a savings account, but here we are in 2023 and I'm still discovering new things, or new to me things. So what we have here is another savings account that's offering a pretty high APY without any crazy conditions. So here's the TLDR, and hopefully I'm using that acronym correctly. LendingClub's high yield savings account has no monthly fees. It has a $100 minimum opening deposit, no minimum monthly balance after the minimum opening deposit, up to $250,000 in FDIC insurance, and it comes with an APY of 4.25%. LendingClub states that you'd be earning 12 times the national average savings rate. This account also comes with an ATM card, and I know that there are some people who like having a physical card at their fingertips to access their money, and it also offers mobile check deposits, which may be beneficial to some of you. As far as transfers, I found that there is a daily limit to the cash total that you can transfer that's dependent upon your status with LendingClub, which seems to be a little bit odd. There is no opening bonus offered at the time of this recording. The next savings account on my list comes from Wealthfront, and it offers the highest APY on my list, but you do have to do a little bit of extra work to get it. Some of you who are watching this video may have not heard of Wealthfront before, but I made 2 videos in the past about my investment account with Wealthfront, so feel free to time travel to the past to watch those videos, as long as you understand that the quality of those videos are not up to my standard today. Anywhoosies, continuing on with the theme of this video, Wealthfront is also offering an APY of over 4% for a regular cash savings account, and I will get to that detail in just a little bit. To give a little background, Wealthfront is an automated investment service firm based in California and founded in 2008. They have $35 billion of assets under management according to their website, with well over 560,000 clients. A cash account with Wealthfront comes with no monthly fees, a minimum opening deposit of $1 to get started, no minimum monthly balance, and get this, Wealthfront offers FDIC insurance on up to $3 million. Wealthfront is able to do this because funds are deposited into a network of partner banks, including Citibank and HSBC, to name a few. Currently, Wealthfront is offering a base APY of 4.3% on their cash accounts, and I can say that Wealthfront has seemed to steadily track the Federal Reserve rate with increases and decreases, and Wealthfront offers unlimited transfers. If ATM access is important to you, you can request check-in features for your individual cash account so that you can get a debit card. One of the drawbacks with a Wealthfront cash account is that there is no opening bonus at this time. Wealthfront is giving you the opportunity to earn an extra 0.5% APY for 3 months. That's a total APY of 4.8% for 3 months. If you want this percentage, you'll have to use a referral link, and luckily for you, I have provided my referral link in the description section of this video because I will also get a 0.5% increase as well. That's a win for me and a win for you. Hey, if you're finding this information to be useful, feel free to let me know in the comment section so that I can create more videos like this in the future. This is the first time I've heard about CIT Bank, and unfortunately, I was not able to find out what the acronym CIT means. And I'm assuming that it is an acronym since each letter is capitalized. Just some brief history. Apparently, the bank was founded in St. Louis, Missouri in 1908, was acquired by First Citizen Bank back in January of 2022. It is an online-only bank, which means that it has no physical branch locations. Another thing worth mentioning is that I found 2 different savings accounts with 2 different interest rates, so you definitely want to pay attention. CIT's high-yield savings accounts have no monthly service fees, a minimum account opening deposit of $100, but there is another caveat because $100 won't get you the best interest rate in one of the accounts. I was unable to find whether there is a minimum balance requirement because their website simply didn't state so. Up to $250,000 is FDIC insured, and the interest rate you get depends on which savings account you open. The Savings Connect High Yield Savings Account offers 4.5% APY, and the Platinum Savings Account offers 4.75% APY, but only on balances of $5,000 or more. If you open this account and have a balance of less than $5,000, then you will only be able to earn 0.25% APY. So make sure that you open the correct account. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to verify on CIT's website whether or not they provide an ATM card. However, an article from Forbes Advisor states that CIT doesn't have an ATM network, but the bank doesn't charge ATM fees and provides up to $30 per month in reimbursement for fees charged by ATM operators. So based on that information, it sounds like it is possible to get an ATM card, but I'm not able to verify that. I also was not able to find out if there are any transfer fees or limitations on transfers, so I don't want to make any assumptions. Let's just say that CIT's website is either not easy to navigate or it's lacking a lot of information. The final account on this list comes from SoFi, and I saved this one for last because I'm a little bit excited about this aspect about it, but at the same time, I'm also not so excited about that one thing that makes me a little bit excited, and I hope I didn't confuse you. So let's start with the good news. There are no minimum monthly fees, no minimum opening deposit, no minimum monthly balance. However, SoFi states that their account policy on fees are subject to change at any time, so be sure to check their website. Up to $250,000 will receive FDIC insurance. You'll be able to get an ATM card that is able to access the Allpoint ATM network at no additional charge. However, there is a maximum withdrawal of $1,000 per day. And here's the exciting part. You can get a bonus for opening an account with SoFi. In between $1,000 and $4,999.99 is direct deposited into your account within the 25-day evaluation period, you get a cash bonus of $50. If $5,000 or more is direct deposited into your account within the 25-day evaluation period, you can get a bonus of $250. SoFi currently shows this promotion valid through December 31st of 2023. What makes this less exciting for me is that this is dependent on the amount that is direct deposited. SoFi defines qualifying direct deposits as deposits received from an enrolled member's employer, payroll, or benefits provider via ACH deposits. Deposits that are not from an employer, including checks, P2P transfers, and even bank ACH transfers not originating from an employer, are not going to qualify for this promotion. Basically, the amount of bonus you receive is going to be tied to your take-home pay from your employer, which I don't like because my suspicion is that a higher percentage of the general public will only qualify for the $50. Definitely research this more on your own to make sure you understand the terms so that you aren't excited for no reason. You'll be able to earn 4% APY, but there is a condition attached to this. You'll only be able to get this if you have direct deposit with SoFi. There is no minimum direct deposit amount required, but if you don't have direct deposit, you'll only be able to earn 1.2% APY, which is still approximately 4 times higher than the national average, but that's not why you're going through the hassle of moving your money around. Okay guys, there's definitely more fine print associated with each of these accounts that I mentioned today, so be sure to conduct your own research and make the best decision for yourself. Since we are talking about letting our savings work for us, let's also talk about letting our spending work for us. So check out this video next on how you can receive over 20% back in value on your regular everyday expenses with some of the best no annual fee credit cards.